In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable OneDrive backup on new Windows 11 installations. If you've just set up a new Windows 11 computer, OneDrive may automatically start backing up folders like desktop, documents, and pictures. That can be helpful for some people, but if you'd rather keep those files stored locally on your PC, this is a quick setting you can change. To begin, look at the bottom right corner of your screen in the Windows taskbar. This is where system icons like network, sound, and background apps usually appear. You're looking for the OneDrive cloud icon. If you don't see it right away, click the small up arrow to open the hidden icons menu, since OneDrive is often tucked away there. Once you find the OneDrive cloud icon, click it to open the OneDrive panel. In the top right corner of that panel, click the gear icon. This opens the settings menu for OneDrive, where you can control syncing and backup behavior. From the menu, select Settings. A new settings window will appear. On the left side, click Sync and Backup. This section contains the options related to folder backup and file syncing between your PC and OneDrive. Next, click Manage Backup. This will show the folders that OneDrive is currently set up to protect. On a new Windows 11 installation, the most common folders selected for backup are Documents, Pictures, and Desktop. Now turn off the toggles for Documents, Pictures, and Desktop. Disabling these options tells OneDrive to stop automatically backing up those folders. This is the key step if you want your files to remain outside of OneDrive syncing for those locations. After turning those options off, click Stop Backup and choose where to keep files. At this point, Windows or OneDrive may ask whether you want to keep your files only in OneDrive or only on your PC. Choose the location that works best for you, then click Continue to confirm your choice. This part is important because it determines where your files will live after the backup is disabled. If you want easier local access without cloud syncing, choosing to keep files only on your PC is usually the better fit. Just make sure you understand where your files are being stored before confirming. And that's it. Once you complete those settings, OneDrive will no longer back up your desktop, documents, and pictures folders on that Windows 11 installation.